Tonight, no bond. After 2 days of testimony, the judge issues his ruling for the man accused in a deadly theater shooting. Good evening. I'm Gail Searins.
And I'm Keith Kate. Thank you for joining us tonight. Just about an hour ago, a Pasco County judge denied the bond for Curtis Reeves. That's the man accused of shooting and killing another man at a Wesley Chapel movie theater. Also in court today, lawyers played surveillance video showing the moments leading up to that deadly shooting. News Channel 8's Chip Osowski has the latest from Pasco County.
The judge ruled that the state had met its burden of proof, so Curtis Reeves will remain behind bars without bond. Prosecutors worked tirelessly to prove their case, and so did the defense. The state played surveillance video from the auditorium the day of the shooting. On the right side of your screen, you can see Curtis Reeves walk to his seat. 40 seconds later, you see Chad Olson's arm extend into the frame. He grabs Reeves' popcorn and throws it at him. Reeves grabs his gun and fires a single round. An off-duty Sumter County deputy calmly walks over and takes possession of the weapon until Pasco deputies arrive. A detective reads Reeves his rights, and Reeves tells him what happened. That audio was also played in court.
When he jumped up and turned around, it was no problem. I mean, it's just a guy being mouthy.
Right.
When he jumped on the seat and came over in between the crack between the two seats, that's when he's scared.
A detective also interviewed Nicole Olson, Chad Olson's wife, who testified she tried defusing the situation.
So when you stood up, you stood up because your husband stood up?
Yeah, I was still watching the movie because I was just like, oh gosh, you know, this is embarrassing, and I just wanted him to sit back down. So I kind of was still facing forward until the last minute when we got shot is when I had just stood up and kind of turned around to tell him, you know, just sit down, it's not worth it.
So the video is out, and now it's being viewed by millions of people around the world. Is it going to make a difference in the way this case is handled? Joining us now from our Tampa newsroom is defense attorney Roger Futerman. And Roger, thank you for joining us this evening. You've seen the video. What do you think?
I think the defense is in big trouble. I said it early on, and I say it now. The defense is in big trouble.
Now, his attorney is arguing it wasn't just popcorn, that he was also hit by a cell phone. If that is true, does it even make a difference?
It doesn't make a difference. He can't react like he reacted.
Is the release of the video game changer?
I don't think so, and it certainly helps the prosecution. You cannot act like he did. This isn't a justified use of self-defense deadly force case. I think it hurts the defense, helps the prosecution.
There's a lot of talk about this being a stand-your-ground case. What do you think about that?
It's not a stand-your-ground case, and it's not a justifiable use of deadly force case. I think the defendant is in big trouble.
Will it be tough to sit an impartial jury now that this video is out? And obviously, I think it will go viral.
I don't think so. Pasco is a big county. I think they'll be able to see the jury, no problem.
All right, Roger, thank you so very much for joining us this evening.
You're welcome.
And we continue to follow this developing story during our newscast and online. You can find a story on the homepage of WFLA.